time to be alive as African American student in modern day America? Says no one ever. But as I sit back and reflect over my life as a black woman, I am truly proud of all I've accomplished. I mean, here I am, a senior, at a predominantly white institution proving so many individuals wrong about black kids becoming academically successful in higher education and showcasing my black excellence. My great-great-great-grandparents would be so proud, for this is what they strive, fought, and died for. Although America has made it extremely difficult for members of the black community to become academically successful, many students like me have worked tirelessly to prove this country wrong. Despite all the injustices and failed systems that were put in place to work against us, we still managed to thrive and prosper. Not only has our economic government misled us, but certain motions in history have taken place that put members of the black community at a standstill. We were forced into harsh slavery for a country that still to this day denounced us for the unchangeable complexions of our skin. We were stripped from Africa where we existed as kings and queens. We were uneducated because, to the white man, we weren't worthy to be taught. Fortunately, we have taken long strides in history to obtain suitable education. Look at us now. We're able to articulate, enunciate, and pronounce our true thoughts and feelings. In 1982, college enrollment after high school was 40% for black students and 53% for white students. Many years ago when this country was founded, black people were considered disadvantaged and as an outcast to society. However, members of the black community have worked diligently to eliminate these negative stigmas and conversations. These negative stigmas came about before, during, and after slavery was abolished in 1865. And although slavery has ended, black people still face many hardships such as systemic oppressions, institutionalized racism, mass incarceration, Jim Crow, also known as segregation, discrimination, and the war on drugs. But wait, I'm not here to give you an adequate and an accurate U.S. history lesson. I'm here to give you some insight on my black excellence. Black excellence is an increasingly popular topic amongst black students earning a degree, and it all started in social media. 2 years ago, students would post their graduation photos captioning it #BlackExcellence. Recently, Black excellence has become more than just a hashtag, but as a mode for promoting prosperous and successful black college students. The term Black excellence has promoted people and supported people becoming intellectually empowered. I am a concrete example of Black excellence. It has helped me and challenged me to be the best me in any situation. Regarding academics, it has helped me to perform better in the classroom. I learned to be a scholar and not just a student. My intellectual ability and strive for greatness has set me apart in a positive way, and I take pride in who I've become and all I have learned over the years. I plan to help young boys and girls realize they can be anything they want, even if the world around them does not support their education. I know that with determination and perseverance, no obstacle can stop me. Sincerely and unapologetic, melanated, educated, proud black woman.